guys, I'm Afrin and thanks for tuning my channel. So we all have different qualities of hair, so all remedies is not for everybody, but in today's video I will tell you remedy which is for everybody. Yes, so in winter we all feel the problem like frizzy hair, dusty hair and dull hair and dry hair and so on, and at the same time we cannot wash our hair regularly because of winter, and at the same point we want our hair healthy. So in today's video we are going to talk about on our hairs, how can we manage or keep our hair healthy. So stay tuned with me and watch this video till the end. So this remedy is for healthy, silky, shiny, smooth, soft and frizz free, dry free hairs. So but along with remedy, I will also tell you some tips by which you can maintain your hairs healthy lifelong, but only if you follow them. So without wasting any time, just begin the video. So my remedy is, yes, this is black cup, and in this black cup there is a black tea. Yes, of course, black tea. So what you need to do is make a black tea. How can you make black tea? So you have to take tea and you have to boil that tea, and there's your black tea. So make a black tea and take a black tea in a black cup. It's kidding, guys. Take a black tea in like this kind of spray bottle. Pour your black tea in this kind of bottle, and I know all people don't have this spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, it's okay. Take your, the important thing is your black tea. You can take black tea in any container, and just what you need to do is, it's important, wash your hair, shampoo your hair, and after doing shampoo, wash your hair with your black tea. You can use spray bottle and spray the black tea over your hair, or you can pour the black tea from here to there. Wash your hair with black tea and leave it at least for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes you have to wash your hair, and then ta-dang, then your hair looks like soft, silky, healthy, glowing, frizz free, dry free. Then you will in love with your hair, believe me. So है ना, ये बहुत छोटी सी घर की home remedy, and of course not so much time consuming, right? So now it's time to tips, and after following these all tips you will maintain your hair healthy for lifelong. So just follow my tips. Tip is oiling. So I already made a video how to do right way, I mean how to do oiling in the right way, and how to do oiling to get healthy and shiny hair. So you can watch that video. And my second tip is, have lots of water, at least 8 to 10 glass of water in your daily routine. And I know this is again a choppy line because I just mentioned this water in almost every video, but because it's important, so I always remind you guys. So just include a lots of water in your daily routine. And my third tip is, always detangle your hair before going to the bed. And next tip is, don't wash your hair, don't underwash and don't overwash. So don't wash your hair in the daily basis, and don't wash your hair after 1 week, after 2 weeks. So at least you have to wash your hair 2 times in a week. That's it. Don't make a rush. Okay, the next step is, stay away with chemical product because they are devil for your hair. And the next tip is, stay away as possible as you can. Stay away with blow dry or heat or parlor salon heat. Please stay away these kind of things because they damage your hair. So please stay away. Okay, you can make your hair healthy for lifelong. Only you need to take care of your hair seriously and regularly. Then really take care of your hair regularly, then there's no need to go any salon to look your hair beautiful and by damaging them. So believe me, do it. Do try to do all the tips and try this remedy. And also I have lots of home remedies which is simple like this. I will definitely share you in my upcoming videos, but yes, for this video only one remedy. Okay guys, so if you're watching my video right now, still you're watching my video, that means you definitely like my video. So if you like my video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, then because you will going to like my another video also. So subscribe my channel because it's free guys. And also if you like this video, then please share to your other friends who need this video, please. So for this video, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.